In this video, we delve into the crucial role that mindset and determination play in achieving success. It's essential to be obsessed with the process, as this obsession fuels perseverance and resilience, allowing you to navigate the ups and downs of your journey. Maintaining a winning mentality, especially in challenging environments, is vital. It empowers you to stay focused and motivated, even when faced with setbacks. Throughout this video, we will explore effective strategies to overcome obstacles and reach your goals, equipping you with the tools needed to cultivate a success-oriented mindset. Join us as we uncover the secrets to transforming your aspirations into reality through unwavering determination and a positive outlook. A winning mindset is essential from the moment you wake up, setting the tone for your entire day. It's vital to focus on your personal success rather than allowing external negativity to seep into your thoughts. By consciously choosing to distance yourself from pessimistic influences in your surroundings, you create a more empowering environment that fosters growth and positivity. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals and uplifting messages can significantly enhance your mental strength, which is crucial for overcoming challenges. Remember, the way you start your day can influence your mindset and actions, so embrace a winning attitude that propels you forward, enabling you to tackle obstacles with confidence and resilience. Confronting difficulties is an essential part of the journey to success, and it's important to remember that bad days are inevitable. Instead of succumbing to negativity, use these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. In academic settings, when confusion arises, don't hesitate to seek clarity and assistance. Reaching out for help can illuminate your path and enhance your understanding. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid settling for mediocrity. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Embrace challenges as stepping stones toward your goals, and maintain a positive outlook that fuels your determination. By facing obstacles head-on, you not only build resilience but also pave the way for your ultimate success. Hard work and dedication are fundamental to achieving academic success, and a great guiding principle to remember is the acronym HWP, hard work pays off. Embracing this mindset encourages you to put in maximum effort into your studies and assignments, recognizing that the time and energy you invest will yield significant rewards. The correlation between effort and success is undeniable. The more you commit to your academic pursuits, the greater your chances of excelling. By consistently applying yourself and striving for excellence, you not only enhance your knowledge but also build essential skills that will serve you well beyond the classroom. Remember, your dedication today lays the foundation for your achievements tomorrow. Reframing failure as an opportunity for growth and learning is essential for personal development. Encourage yourself to view setbacks not as defeats but as chances to become stronger and wiser. Each failure provides valuable lessons that can guide you on your journey, reminding you that it is not the end but rather a crucial step in the learning process. Embrace these moments, as they often lead to greater insights and resilience. It's important to maintain your hunger for success despite the challenges you face. Let your setbacks fuel your determination to push forward. By adopting this perspective, you can transform obstacles into stepping stones toward achieving your goals and realizing your potential. Inspiring viewers to push through adversity is crucial for unlocking their true potential. Life will inevitably present challenges, but it's essential to navigate around these obstacles and keep moving forward. Remember, within each of you lies dormant potential for success, waiting to be awakened. Embrace the belief that you have the power to overcome difficulties and achieve your dreams. It's time to take action and grant yourself permission to let your success emerge. By pushing through adversity, you not only discover your strengths but also cultivate resilience that will serve you well in future endeavors. So, rise to the occasion, and let your journey toward greatness begin. In summary, we've explored the vital importance of mindset, hard work, and learning from setbacks on the path to success. Cultivating a positive mindset and embracing the principle that hard work pays off can significantly enhance your journey. Remember, setbacks are not failures but valuable lessons that contribute to your growth. Now, it's time to take actionable steps toward your goals, set clear objectives and commit to your progress. If you found this video inspiring, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from this motivation. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers and uplifts, so let's continue this journey together toward achieving our dreams.